So, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Time for me to comment on your comments. I think the last one we did last time was Afzal, who said remiss is more suitable, and he's quite right. It's the right answer. So, Patricia. She liked his swagger after a couple of swigs. She liked his swagger after a couple of swigs. She was swooning all over him. It was yonks since she had been drawn into this yawning vortex. Together they would bridge this beastly chasm. However, binge, like and overpowering it had been. However binge-like and overpowering it had been. Okay, I get it. Yeah, that works. I was wondering about this last bit, but now I get it together. Yeah, together they would bridge this beastly chasm, however binge-like and overpowering it had been. Okay, that's fine, Patricia. And Mohammed, hi there, great to see you. And last Harry, extraordinary, amazing, plus vocabs were OP. Firstly, I would normally say vocab is uncountable, and plus vocab was OP. Operating procedure, ordinary person. I don't know. Well, maybe someone will tell me what OP is. Okay, and Raj Vadivel. Utterly marvellous, dear Alex. How formal are these words? Can I use them in casual conversations in the pub? For instance, I truly like the words yonks and blotto. Woof. Let's see. You're going to sound very posh if you use these. Let's see. None of these are terribly formal at all, but what they are is posh informal. Yeah. This phrase yonks is very informal. I'd give it a 3 in formality. And blotto as well, 3.5. Yeah. I don't think any of them are formal, and I don't think any of this I would write in a semi-formal writing. So yes, they are informal, Raj. So Zia Rehman, thanks, man. My pleasure. Thanks for watching Rumble, Zia. And okay, and Nadim is asking, sir, please, I'm getting confused. Please explain the meaning of. Well, Akshat's put the link here, so all you need to do is follow this link, Nadim, and look at go to 41 minutes. Okay, hi McCool. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this. And okay, old rubber. It's not rugger, it's old rubber. Yeah, rhymes with pub. Rubber dub dub rhymes with pub. So this is Sheed. Hi Sheed, I should have said hi. I know the word rub, but dub dub, first time hearing. So it's the first time I've heard it. Rubber dub dub comes from an old nursery rhyme. Rubber dub dub, 3 men in a tub, and who do you think they be? The butcher, the baker, the candlestick maker, and all of them out to sea. So, yeah, I'm going down to the rubber dub. Yeah, this is Cockney rhyming slang, and the dub rhymes with pub. And she says thank you. Okay, and Ajuni. Okay, this is Ajuni's video of Knack. Thank you for posting, Ajuni. I'll give you a little heart. And life can turn on a dime. Yes, things are very fleeting. Life is fleeting. Working at an early age is an ordeal in and of itself. Oh, I like this, in and of itself. Good work, Mohammed. So, homophones, please make more like this one. It has been yonks. I've made a mistake here. Just bear with me a second. Yeah, it's, we'll get back to it in a second. Grrr. That's really frustrating. Bear with me. I'm really sorry about that. Technical difficulties will be solved any second now, I hope. Okay, now it's gone the other way, gone to the very top. Okay, so let me scroll down and find where we were. Yes, which is quite a long way down. Yeah, okay, that was a Junie. Good. Okay, and so Patricia says, please make more like this one. It's been yonks since. Oh, I will make that mistake again. Ha! As I've always done, and true to form I will always do. So I dare not finish my sentence for fear that I'm going to get it wrong, lest I get it wrong. Okay, and Veronique Bernier. Good old Charles Henry, so nice to have him back. Thank you, Veronique. And Mohammed Ali Tanis says, thanks a lot for phrasal verbs with pick. My pleasure. Okay, Mohammed. Nash gives the same meaning as well. Gnawing away at my mind, preying on my mind. To gnash is to bite. Oh! Whereas to gnaw, yeah, is like rubbing your teeth. So you don't bite it. You bite it, but in a different way. Okay, and Mohammed. So firstly, it's a quip, not a quib. A quip when I'm going to receive the same punishment for any course of action that's going to be done. Okay, you're going to be hanged for a sheep, or even a lamb with a B. So I'm going to do the most aggressive thing, which is stealing a sheep. It's a quip, though. It's a joke. Yeah. Okay, to be hung, but for you might as well be hung for a sheep as a lamb. Says if you're going to be marked as evil or bad, then you might as well just be bad. No point in being good. Patricia, hi. I don't see any difference in the two. Sink and drown. Maybe it's my state of mind or just a bad sign, which is true to form. We'll go on, however. Okay, sink just means to go down in the water. So a ship can sink, but a ship doesn't drown. If you drown, you die because you're in the water and you can't breathe. And that's the difference. Mohammed. So, hardwired. It works with languages. Either when you practice a certain language for a good while, you're going to find it hardwired when talking it. That's what happens over time. But it takes a lot of time. Hi, Luigi. Great to have you. I like doing these because they increase my vocab. Good. Yes, it was very remiss of me, Luigi. Okay, and Patricia, 624. They told her she had been endowed, with several God-given talents, as well as the good looks to go with them. In reality, she alone knew that she'd been drifting endlessly for many long, wearisome years. That she was sinking inexorably, like that word, and she thought they were indeed cruel and selfish not to have let her drown. Deep down she knew that they did not care, that they revelled in the idea of seeing her wilt day by day, and that somehow she had brought her misfortune upon herself, and that she deserved every ounce of it. So it's a bit depressive, but the quality's very good. Yeah, well written. I like it. This is a very nice piece of writing. Good work with this one. And hi Leffy. So this video would only be 2 minutes long without VG, instead of the 50 minutes which it did last. No, that one was shorter. Okay, good to see you, Leffy. And okay, VG says, hey people, Ackshirt. Hi Ackshirt. AAA says, hello, have a nice evening. And hello, have a nice evening to Ackshirt too. And VG says hi to Ackshirt, and VG says hi to AAA as well. So that's lovely. I love it when you talk like that. That's really good. So VG again. If you say something in a low voice, it will still resonate in this hall. Good English. Why does its sound box resonate? Because it's the right shape, it's the right size. My ideas resonated well with my boss. That's good. The whole tale resonated with bravery. Good English again. It will resonate in years to come. You need an in there. Resonate in years to come, but that goes with the years. Are resound and resonate the same? Yeah, I think they're good synonyms. I think they're incredibly close. I wouldn't like to try differentiating them. Hi, Count again. Great to see you. The windows resonating as shelling started. People say this attack resonates with an invasion in 1941. Good English, Count. Take care of yourself, my friend. Navanitha. When he threw a small piece of rock into the lake, or the lac, I think you mean the lake, or into the, I'm not sure what, the impact resonated the whole way. The impact was resonating all the way. Yeah, the impact resonated strongly. Okay, yeah. Just a question of the tense. Part 4, hi. Could this sentence work? His words have resonated with me even more since I had a car crash. Good English, part 4. AAA, hi. The idea of not giving up under any circumstances, you've got a double negative here, so this would say the idea of not giving up under no circumstances. No, the idea of giving up under no circumstances, the idea of not giving up under any circumstances, is conveyed in a Japanese song called Makanade. Keeps resonating in my head all the time, granting me a golden opportunity to maintain my sunny optimism. So, the idea of not giving up under any circumstances is conveyed in a Japanese song called Makinade, and keeps resonating in my head all the time, granting me a golden opportunity to maintain my sunny optimism. Good work, AA. I like it. Rizgar. Hi, Rizgar. Great to see you. It was like a bomb when the war news resonated around the world. Good to see you, Rizgar. So this is Katya, who's looking at that's last week's, I think, or is it the week before? So hi, Katya, great to see you, great to have you. Happy Friday for tomorrow. And then Katya's been looking at susceptible, so thank you, Katya. Manji. Hi, Manji. Your teaching clearly resonates with us, I reckon. Good, that's good English, well done. So, Sauza AMG, remiss is more suitable. Absolutely correct. Quagmire, so YouTuber 8344, who else but Quagmire? I guess you're referring to the cartoon character Quagmire, who's getting pretty famous, I think, nowadays. And resonate from Patricia. 8:15, 3rd of March. Her sartorial tastes had undergone a drastic transformation and resonated with her mental makeup or breakup. I like that. She had once been the epitome of elegance. Now she was downright dowdy. A rag for the bin. She was a downright dowdy rag for the bin. Her lovely face had become a plaster mask with a sardonic smile, her erstwhile honey gentle tongue a blade that never missed. She was a thing to be loathed, a stone girl never to be desired by a man, a fetus never to have been born, to be crushed with unabashed nonchalance. She could only give what had not been given to her. No more, no less. This one sounds very good as well. I really like this one, Patricia. This one's a good one. So, that's what there is. Let's just give it a refresh and see if we've had any more since I started. Okay, yes. So, Okay, and Adam. Hi, Adam. Great to see you. Putin's barbaric actions in Ukraine resonate all over the world. Good English, Adam. Good work. This video resonates with beautiful English. So, thank you, Adam. That's great work. And maybe I'll just refresh it once more just in case. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Well, maybe not. Yes, it is. So, bye for now, and I will see you all tomorrow, I guess. Inshallah.